everybody, I'm Daisy. Check it out! This is our double-sided floating light box. As you can tell from the name, the light box adopts a double-sided design. And the surface poster is made of fabric material, can be replaced at will. The side frame is made of aluminum alloy with a high-quality LED light embedded inside to provide even light. You may encounter this problem. Large sizes advertising products are particularly easy to flip in order, windy and rainy environments affecting users' experience. This floating light box solves this problem very well. It adopts a double reinforcement design. The support rod in the middle and the bucket at the bottom make the overall balance better. Windproof and compression resistant, making it more stable and durable. We can also customize size specifications to better meet your actual needs. Installation and assembly are very convenient. Even one person can easily complete it independently. Film and EPR cotton Oxford bags allow products to be transported safely without damage. What do you think of this floating light box? Will you choose this convenient advertising for your store? Comment to let me know and follow LCSIGN right now.